Hello, beautiful people. Arif Orya here from Orya Driving Academy, and I will be showing you route number 1 for the G test here at the Newmarket Drive Test Center. When you come here for your road test appointment, please make sure that you are parking your car in one of the designated parking spaces. Each parking space has a number. It is recommended that you park your car in reverse. It will be easier for you to come out. After parking your car, you will have to go inside the drive test center. There are designated kiosks for the scheduled road test appointments. You will have to enter your driver's license number and make sure that you are signing in just half an hour before your road test. So you'll have to enter your driver's license number. Your appointment will pop up. When your appointment pops up, then you click next. It will go to the next screen. The kiosk will ask you a couple of questions. Question number 1 is if you are wearing any eyeglasses. If you are wearing any eyeglasses, please make sure you have them on you. And if you don't wear any eyeglasses, you can put no for that. The second question is about your health. Depending on your health, if you're not healthy, so of course you should not be doing your road test, but if you are good, you can put no for it. And then the next screen will pop up and it will ask about how many times have you driven on the highway. That's a general question. So you will have to enter a number, like how many times you have driven on the highway. And the next question is how many times on a 400 series highways. 400 series highways is like 401, 404, 412, 400, those highways. And then the next question is, what was your average trip? So depending on what your average trip was, you enter that. The next screen will be about your vehicle information. So you will have to enter your vehicle information, the make of your car, if it's Toyota, Honda, whatever it is, the color of your vehicle, your license plate number, and the parking space number where you have parked your car at. Once you do that, then you confirm and the kiosk will give you a ticket. You grab the ticket, you come back to your car. Once you come back to your car, while you're waiting for the examiner, please make sure that your seat is adjusted, your mirrors are adjusted, you put your seat belt on, and be ready for the examiner. So when the examiner comes to your car, you'll have to start the car, and then the examiner will come from the left side and you'll have to roll down your window. The examiner will introduce himself or herself to you, and then will ask for your driver's license. So you have to present your driver's license to the examiner. The examiner will ask for your full name, your date of birth, and then the examiner will ask you to beep the horn. You do that, and then the examiner will go to the front of the car and will ask you for the right signal, then left signal, and then the examiner will go to the back of your car and will ask you for the same thing, right signal, left signal. And then the examiner will ask you to step on the brake. You will have to step on the brake on and off a couple of times. And then the examiner will come sit beside you and will read some stuff from their iPad. You will have to sign it, and then the examiner will give you directions. So in here, they will ask you to go right. So when you are ready to leave, so please make sure that you put your car in drive. Have your right signal on. Before leaving, make sure you do a good 360 degrees check. Check all around. Make sure that you're checking all around. And if there is any car in front of you or any car coming from left or right, please do not leave. Wait for them to clear and then you can come out. So when it's all clear, slowly you're going to come out. So I'm going to be moving. There's a car in front of me, so I'm not going to move. And slowly, nice and slowly, just keep on looking left and right. And then come out just like this. So when you turn right, they will ask you to turn left on Harry Walker Parkway. So here there's a stop sign, mirror signal, blind spot to the left. I will come to a complete stop before the pedestrian walkway. Look left, right, make sure there's no pedestrian, and then you creep up a little bit and then do a slow stop here and check both sides. When it's clear, then turn left. We're going to turn left here on this road. The speed limit here is 50 kilometers per hour. So please make sure that you are maintaining a good speed limit here. And just continue. The important thing for the G test, here at the traffic light, they will ask you to go left. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. Where the broken line starts, right from there, get in. And if it's a red light, you will have to wait. If it's a green light, you go halfway in. If there, check for any oncoming traffic, pedestrian on the left. If everything is clear, you turn left. Turn left closer to the yellow lane, and then you can move to the right while checking the blind spot. You don't have to signal here. And the speed limit on this road is 50 as well. So just stay at 50 speed limit. Continue at the speed limit and then keep on checking left, right. If there is any driveway coming your way, please make sure that you're checking left, right. Check your mirrors every 5 to 10 seconds and continue driving. All you have to do is just look all around, make sure that you're maintaining a good speed limit, have the confidence, do not stress yourself out. And if there are any parked cars, stay away 1 meter from the parked cars. So maintain that space and then continue this way. And then the examiner will ask you to turn right on Leslie Street. So you will have to do a good mirror, a rear view mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. Where the broken line starts, you're gonna get into this lane. It's a red light. I'm gonna come to a complete stop first before the line. I'll check for pedestrian, no pedestrian. Then I'm gonna creep up and I will be checking left side for any cars. No cars, then you can go. And then you can move just like this. Stay on the right lane unless you're asked to change lane. So the examiner may ask you to do a couple of lane changes here as well. So you can do it if you're asked to do a lane change. I will do a lane change for you. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left and look ahead for 2 to 3 seconds and change your lane. And once your 4 tires are inside the lane, you turn off your signal. And if there is a car that you're stopping in behind a car, make sure that you're maintaining a good distance where you can see the tires and a little bit of the ground. And then you might be asked to change your lane back to right. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and you're going to move to the right when it's safe. Once your 4 tires are in, you turn off your signal. The speed limit on this road is 60 kilometers per hour. So please make sure that you're maintaining a good speed limit. And if it's busy traffic, then you go with the flow of the traffic. Just keep checking left, right. Check your mirrors every 5 to 10 seconds. You will be asked to turn right here. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. And we will be turning right on Davis Drive. So it's a red light. Again, I'm going to come to a complete stop before the line. Check for any pedestrian, no pedestrian. Look left, right, creep up. And then check for any oncoming traffic from the left side. No traffic, and then you can go. Again, the speed limit here is 60 kilometers per hour, so maintain a good speed limit. And if it's a red light, of course, we are going to be stopping. But when you're stopping behind another car, please make sure that you're maintaining a good space. Okay, the light just turned green, so look left, right. Any intersection that is coming your way, when you're stopping, leaving, or passing an intersection, just look left, right. Very important for your G test because that's what they're going to be looking for. So they always check. So they might ask you to do a lane change here. So if you have to, you can do a lane change. If not, just continue on this lane because we will be going to the highway. Again, there is Harry Walker Parkway coming up. I'm going to do left, right, check and continue. So stay on this lane. Do not move to the right because this here is going to Toronto and then we will be going straight ahead. So from here on, the speed limit changes to 80, guys. So make sure you pick up the speed a little bit more if it's cleared. And then you will be asked to go to 404 north. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. And we will be going to 404 north here. The recommended speed limit on the ramp is 30, but you can go over that. So once you get to this point right here before the yellow line on the left starts, you turn off your signal and continue. So in here, the recommended speed limit is 30, but it depends. So you can, go over, like you can be at 40, 45 as well for as long as you have a good control of the vehicle. and just keep going just like that. Please make sure that you're not shaking the car a lot. And once the white line on the left starts, you signal, mirror, signal, blind spot, and start picking up your speed. So the speed limit here on this highway is 110. Make sure you reach to 110 before you merge. So complete 70% of the acceleration lane. Look, check a blind spot here and merge to the highway. My speed was exactly 110 when I merged. So perfect speed limit. You might be asked to do a couple of lane changes here. So lane change to the left. Check your rear view mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. Change your lane to left when it's safe. The examiner will always tell you when it's safe to do so. So turn off your signal when your four wheels are in. So change your lane back to right, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. When it's safe, you're going to change your lane to left. And then you will be asked to exit here. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and we will be exiting on green lane. Keep your signal on here until you enter the fork. Once you enter here, you turn off your signal. The recommended speed limit here is 60 kilometers per hour. You can go a little bit over. It doesn't really matter for as long as you have a good control of the car. It is better that you stay in the middle lane because they will be asking you to go back. So it's better that you stay in the middle lane. It will be easier for you guys. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left because we will be going left. Again, guys, Oria Driving Academy is here for you guys to help you pass your tests easily. We speak your languages. We speak Farsi, Pashto, Dari, Hindi, Urdu. So if you need any help, please feel free to contact us. Okay, so we are going to be checking left, right, and I'm turning left here. Make sure you're turning left into the last lane, not the first one. And then you'll be asked to go back to 404. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. The speed limit here for this short distance is 70 kilometers per hour. But I'll keep my signal on and I'm turning off my signal right here. So again, just you can go, make sure that you're not shaking the car so much, nice and smoothly, and continue going back to the drive test center. So we're going to start picking up the speed right from here. And I will do mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, right from here, and then continue. So this lane does not close. You can turn off the signal, or if you're asked to do a lane change, you can do a lane change. I'm going to do a lane change here for you guys. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. Again, the speed limit is 100. So make sure that you are at 100. 110, sorry. The speed limit is 110 kilometers per hour on this highway. So please make sure that you're maintaining a good speed limit. But if it's busy, there's a lot of traffic, then you go with the flow. I'm going to change my lane back to right, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, safe, and I'm going to go back here. Turn off your signal once your four wheels are inside the lane. Very nice and quiet highway. To be honest with you, very easy highway in here. The ramps are pretty long, so we are exiting here, mirror, signal, blind spot, and we are going to exit on Davis Drive again. Turn off your signal. You can stay on here. Recommended speed limit is 60. You can be 70, doesn't matter, but slowly we will be dropping off the speed because we will be turning right. If you're asked to turn to change lane to right, so we're going to do that. Mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and where the broken line starts, I'm going to get in. The middle lane also can go right, left, and straight. So you can stay on in the middle lane as well to make a right turn. That's up to you. But if the examiner tells you to stay on the right, far right lane, then you stop here. You change your lane to the right. So it's a red light. I'm waiting here. The car in front of me is also waiting. Once he clears, then I'm going to come. I will stop behind the line. It's a red light. Check, check, check. There's no pedestrian. So I'm going to creep up a little bit and I'll check left side, make sure no cars. Then I'm good to go. We are turning into the first lane, closer to us. And then I'm going to change lane to left, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. The examiner will ask you to change lane to the left, and then you will be asked to go back, turn left on Harry Walker Parkway. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and then I'm going to come right here. Again, when you're stopping behind another car, please make sure you're maintaining a good space where you can see the tires in a little bit of the ground. And while you're waiting, please make sure you're checking your rear view mirror, side mirrors, you're checking the intersections. Just look all around, because one of the questions on G-Test is that no traffic check while waiting. Please make sure that you are doing a good traffic check and you're aware of your surroundings. Again, guys, please, if you like this video, if you think it was useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave me some great comments, share your experiences so other people can take advantage of it. And please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video with your friends and families, the ones that are going to have their road test here at the Newmarket location. Okay, it's when you're turning left, if it's a green light, when there's one car in the middle of the intersection, never be the second car. So check, it's still a green light, and I'm gonna turn left here. On Harry Parkway, we turn left. Again, the speed limit here is 50 kilometers per hour. They will bring you back this way to take you back to the drive test center. So keep on checking your mirrors every 5 to 10 seconds. So that way, you know, you're aware of your surroundings as well. And if there's any streets, any roads coming, just look left, right, and keep going. I think it's pretty easy here, the G-Test at the Newmarket location. There's not much to it. Once again, guys, if you like this video, if you think it was useful, and if you have learned anything from it, please make sure you're subscribing to my YouTube channel, you're liking the video, leave me some great comments to motivate me so that I can do more videos for you guys. And you will always, you know, get good stuff from my YouTube channel, because this is what I do, and I love helping people. I love to be a good person in the community, so somebody that can help others achieve their goals, because driving license is very important for us all. You know that a lot of our jobs rely on our driver's license. So let's help each other. Let's support each other. Again, there's a red light. Okay, just turned green. We're not stopping, but when I'm passing an intersection, I'm going to look left, right, both sides, and we will be going back to the drive test center. Just like this, guys, very easy, very simple. Do not stress yourself out. Honestly, if you stress yourself out, that's when you're going to make a lot of mistakes. So it's pretty easy here. Do not stress yourself out. Just take it easy. So we're back to the drive test center. We're going to do mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and we will be going back to the drive test center. Please make sure there's no one there. Check for pedestrian. Check for any cars pulling in or pulling out. Watch for pedestrians. So they will ask you to park in one of the parking spaces here. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. Any available parking space you can park at. And that's pretty much it. That will be your G-Test here at the Newmarket location. And at the end of your test, if you pass, the examiner will give you feedback. Whether you pass or fail, they will tell you at the end of your road test. And if you pass, you will have to grab that ticket that you got at the beginning, take that inside the drive test center, go to counter A. They will either call you by name or by your number, and then you go to the counter. Once you go to the counter, they will ask you if you have changed your address. So if you have changed your address, please make sure that you update it in the system. You tell them that it's a different address. If not, then the same address, they will ask for your full name and your information, your date of birth, and then they will give you a temporary license on a paper, and will tell you that you will get your plastic license in 3 to 4 weeks in the mail. That's pretty much it, guys. Good luck for your road test. If you have any questions, please feel free to write them in the comments for me, and I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions in the comment section. If you have multiple questions, please make sure that you are asking them separately, so that way people can take advantage and they can learn from it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for the support and love that you have given me all this time. Please make sure you're subscribing to my YouTube channel and follow me for more videos, and I'll be doing some G2 videos for you as well. Take care.